How to use Luma Dream Machine AI. Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Luma Dream Machine AI. This tool allows you to generate high-quality images using artificial intelligence. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to the Luma Dream Machine AI website. Once you're in the homepage, click on the Try Now option, and here you'll need to sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Click on the Sign Up button and follow the instructions to create your account. If you already have an account, simply click Log In and enter your credentials. Once signed in, it will take you to the homepage of the Dream Machine. Then, you will see this right here where you could type in your specific prompt. For a successful result, I highly suggest being detailed when describing your prompt or just simply insert a pic here. And that's it. Experiment with different descriptions and settings to see what amazing images you can create. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!